Yes, yes.
Try again.
Now comes plaintiff in case style, Wade versus State of Texas, and Estancia Villas, LLC, delivering on whom thereto they pondered of him. Action. Plaintiff additionally comment. Ooh.
Get it and cut the video, bro. That's all we gotta do.
Make sure to send that video to City Hall. Make sure. Now comes plaintiff in case style, Wade versus State of Texas, and Estancia Villas, LLC, delivering on whom thereto they pondered of him. Action. Plaintiff additionally commands revelation of express universal authority, co-signed by the First Amendment Bill of Rights, a certificate to proceed in United States Southern Federation District Court. In case style, Wade versus State of Texas, and Estancia Villas, LLC, in a sponsor for motion to strike. And so, if I was to expound on what I'm talking about, I'm referencing the United States Constitution First Amendment weighed against the United States Constitution 11th Amendment. When I say plaintiff's motion to strike, I'm referencing State of Texas' lackluster, shady, shameful attempt to dismiss law of factual allegations. The First Amendment, the last sentence, states for the people to peacefully assemble and to petition their government for a redress of grievances. The 11th Amendment, running concurrent and not in lieu of, states the judicial powers vested in the United States judicial system should not be construed to petition one of its states or its territories from a citizen. It doesn't stop at citizen with a period. It goes on further to state by a citizen of another state or another government. And so, hypothetically speaking, if I lived in California and I wanted to sue Texas, I cannot do it unless we are citizens of the same state. It's designed to not have people in New York sue people in Maine. And so in the event of Wade versus the State of Texas and Estancia Villas, LLC, the jurisdictional venue is accurate. As I am in the same state and citizen of the State of Texas in general. And so, what I'm attempting to do with this, because you can't do anything by yourself, is to add frequency and add numbers and to generate awareness that the people, citizens, members of society can sue their government at the highest level, which would be the union, at a lower level, which would be a state territory, or in any governmental department in general. The more the merrier. It seems, as I put this energy into the ether of the universe, the opposition to challenge me and my authority, my revelation of express universal authority, co-signed by the First Amendment, Bill of Rights, almost verbatim, as an attempt to stop me from generating awareness. When I reference the revelation of universal authority, of expression, universal authority, as to summarize the United States Constitution, First Amendment, parallel to the State of Texas shady, lackluster attempt to summarize the 11th Amendment, running concurrent and not in lieu of, cannot be defeated. As I am operating in bounds of the legality of the United States Constitution. And so today, I attempted, as the lawsuit is pending on a federal judge, generate awareness at City Hall. I was intercepted and intervened by 60 rotations of 3-minute intervals of nonsense. Talking about painted lines and other meaningless, absolutely worthless topics, almost meticulously placed in front of me as to allow the energy to digress that I come with. As I am an extension of the Most High, the final judge. I make this video a certificate to proceed in United States Southern Federation District Court in case style Wade versus State of Texas in Estancia Villas LLC in a sponsor for motion to strike the State of Texas dismissal as I use the chain of command and I gather evidence against the state, against the city, and every subsidiary of the state, in fact, of every unilateral decision of the state, in fact. I demonstrate the processes at which this country, and the principles and the processes at which this country was founded. Thank you. My name is Alan Way. I appreciate it. Thank you. Yes. Thank you.
Okay.